In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook when your inbox feels delayed or out of sync. If you're expecting a message that hasn't arrived or your sent items aren't updating, a quick refresh can usually fix it. Outlook can be refreshed in two simple ways depending on which version you're using. First, if you're on the desktop version of Outlook or Outlook on the web, press F9 on your keyboard. Make sure Outlook is the active window when you press it. After pressing F9, you should see a brief syncing message or status update, which means Outlook is checking for new emails, updating folder changes, and pushing any pending actions. If nothing happens, check whether your keyboard requires the FN key to enable function keys, and make sure your cursor isn't inside a text field where the shortcut might not register. If you're using Outlook on the web, there's another simple option. Press Ctrl+R to refresh the entire browser page. This forces the browser to reload your mailbox from scratch, which helps when messages appear out of order, folders don't load properly, or the interface feels frozen. Once the page reloads, any new mail or updates will appear. A slow connection may cause the page to take longer, which is normal. After refreshing, check the top of your inbox for new messages and make sure no filters or focused views are hiding anything. Sometimes mail arrives but doesn't show because a filter is active. If you manage multiple accounts, verify you're viewing the correct mailbox before assuming the refresh didn't work. Large mailboxes or slow networks may need a few extra seconds to finish syncing. That's it. Use F9 for an immediate sync, and on the web, Ctrl+R for a full reload when Outlook feels stuck. These simple shortcuts help keep your inbox up to date and your workflow running smoothly.